Hello everyone, welcome to our English class. Let us continue the lesson. The Lata Mangeshkar, the melodious voice, the queen of melody. Last period we have learned about Lata Mangeshkar family. Pandit Dinanath was her father. He was died. After that, the whole family members facing lot of problems. So Lata has started to her career. And Vinayak Damodar Karnataki was one of the close family members who helped and guided the Lata. He started her career as a singer and actress. Lata started singing for Marathi films in Navyug Chitrapat. It was film company of Vinayak Damodar. After that, she has started taking lessons in Hindustani classical music and began to recording songs in Hindi. After that, one of the reputed music director, Ghulam Haider, he was mentor and guide her. He requested the well-known producer Shashadhar Mukherjee to give Lata a chance in his film Shaheed. Ghulam Haider requested to producer the Shashadhar Mukherjee to give her chance to his film Shaheed, and Lata was already practiced about the classical music, Hindustani classical music, and she sang melodiously. Lata has uniquely melodious voice. Lata has uniquely means particular. None of her means no one can sing like her because her voice was melodious. Mukherjee. Ghulam Haider said to Mukherjee, her voice is particular, melodious voice. If you give her chance, you shall not be disappointed. You will not get disappointed. You will not get nervous if you heard her voice because her voice is melodious. Mukherjee dismissed the request. Her voice too thin, Haider. Mukherjee said to Haider, Lata's voice is too thin. Thin means here, very less, not good. He is telling here. You are making a mistake, Mukherjee. Who said this sentence? Haider said to Mukherjee, you are making mistake. You did not recognize her voice. Haider said to Mukherjee, she has a golden voice. Mark my words. Mark my words means you remember my words. She has a golden voice. You are making mistake. Who said? Haider said to Mukherjee. A day will come when the producers and directors will come to her and beg her to sing in their films. One day will come, all the producers of film industries, directors will come and they will beg to her sing in their films. Beg means request. They will request to her sing a song in their films. Mukherjee did not agree to launch Lata Mangeshkar. Mukherjee was not ready to give chance to Lata. It was Haider himself who gave Lata her first big break in his film Majboor. Haider has given the chance to Lata Mangeshkar. His film name is Majboor. It was 1948. Next. There was no looking back for Lata after that. Her melodious voice enchanted all those who heard her. Lata was continuously moving forward. She is moving her life towards her life. Her melodious voice enchanted. Enchanted means charming. Very charm. Getting delighted to all those who heard her. Those are listen her songs. They are getting delighted. pleasant. Soon, producers and directors were lining up to the request Lata to sing in their films, just as Heather had predicted. Predicted means forecast. Forecast means tell about future. Telling future, or you can say in Marathi, bhakit karni. So, as Heather told, predicted to Mukherjee, all the producers and directors were lining her to request Lata to sing their films, and it has happened. Next, one of the Lata's first major hits was the song "Ye Mein Aayega Aane Wala." Did you hear this song? Aayega Aane Wala, Aayega. This song has sung by Lata, and it was hit. Major hit was the song Aayega Aane Wala from the film of Mahal. This song was hit because Lata has sung this song. That's why it was getting hit. The film name was Mahal in 1949. Since then, there have been many unforgettable songs from the numerous films. She sang continuously many songs she sang, and still she is singing. Still she is singing numerous songs she has sang. Who can forget the immortal song? Who will forget the immortal song? Means immortal means remembered forever. Immortal means remember forever. Can't forget. It is memorable song. We never forget. Who will forget this immortal song? प्यार किया तो डरना क्या, प्यार किया तो डरना क्या, जब प्यार किया तो डरना क्या, प्यार किया तो कोई चोरी नहीं की, प्यार किया तो डरना क्या. This song has sung by Lata from the film of Mughal-e-Azam. Mughal-e-Azam in 1960. Who can forget her song from Pakija? And who can forget her song from Pakija 1972? Lata has recorded over 1,000 songs that eternal us to this day. Eternal. 1,000 songs that enthrall us to this day. She sang the 1,000 songs. Enthrall means getting delight, getting pleasant to everyone. Lata has recorded over 1,000 songs. Over 1,000 songs. More than 1,000 she has sang, and it was really delighted, getting pleasant to us. On 27 January 1963, Lata sang the patriotic song "ए मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँखों में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी, जरा याद करो कुर्बानी." Did you heard this song? Who sang this song? Patriotic song. It is the patriotic songs has sung by Lata. Legendary. In the presence of them, Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. It is said that the song brought tears to Nehru's eyes. When Lata Mangeshkar ji has sung the song "ए मेरे वतन के लोगों," in the presence of Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was there, and at that time Nehru was getting, when Lata ji has sung this song, the tears has brought from the Nehru's eyes. Lata has also recorded memorable duets with famous singers like Mukesh, Manna Dai, Mahendra Kapoor, Mohammad Rafi and Kishore Kumar. She has recorded Mirabai's bhajans, Ghalib's ghazals, and made an album of Ganesh Aarti as well. Lata Mangeshkar has recorded memorable means popular collection. She has a popular collection. She has recorded the lots of songs. Famous singer, duet song means here the song has sang by two peoples or in a group. Famous singers like Mukesh, Manna Dey, Mahendra Kapoor, Mohammad Rafi and Kishore Kumar. Along with she has sang the duet songs. She has recorded Mirabai's bhajans, Ghalib's ghazals and made an album. Album means it's a collection of recording or songs of Ganesh Aarti as well. Since 1970, Lata has had many concerts in India and abroad. After that, 1970, she has attended the concert mean programs in India as well as abroad in the world also. Her first concert was at the Royal Albert Hall in London in 1974. She has attended her first concert, Royal Albert Hall. It is situated in London. She was the first Indian to perform there. She is one of the first Indian women. She performed abroad in London. In a career spanning means it's a period time. Over 7 decades, she has recorded songs for over 1,000 Hindi films and has sung in over 36 regional languages of India. When in her career, over the 7 decades, she has recorded songs for over 1,000. When she has started her career, now then till up to, she has recorded over 1,000 Hindi film. She has recorded her song more than 1,000 films, has sung in over 36 regional language of India, and she knows the regional language also. She has received 3 National Film Awards. She achieved 3 National Film Awards, 4 Filmfare Best Playback Singer Awards and 12 Bengal Film Journalist Association Awards. The Dada Saheb Phalke Award was bestowed on her in 1989. She got honor of Dada Saheb Phalke Puraskar. She was getting honor on her in 1989. She has also been awarded the Padma Bhushan in 1969, and she get Padma Bhushan award also, Padma Vibhushan in 1999 and Bharat Ratna 2001. This is also award she has achieved, India's highest civilian honor. Lata Mangeshkar's melodious voice continues to enthrall us to this day. She has been rightly called the Queen of Melody by her innumerable fans. She was getting many more awards in her career. She achieved the awards as well as she get honor Dada Saheb Phalke Puraskar. Because of her melodious voice, she continues to enthrall us to this day. Enthrall means still continue her voice getting delight to us. Enthrall means getting delight to us to this day. She has been rightly called Queen of the Melody. That's why she has been called till she is singing continuously. So she has called Queen of Melody by her innumerable fans. Because of her innumerable means uncountable fans. her. I hope you have understood this lesson. All of you have to write these new words, learn the new words and read the lesson 3 times. Okay? Read the whole lesson 3 times. See the reading comprehension. Question number A. Write T for true and F for false for these sentences. You have to try to find out which sentence is correct, which sentence is wrong, and mention here T for true. If it is incorrect, you can write the F. F means false. Complete this question number A.